now is because of my mole. You do believe in that, bro? When kuya punta dito UK, please? I don't know. No. One song lang po. One song lang po? Well, one song lang ba yun? That's the first take.
I don't know.
Well, if you watch, if you visit their channel on YouTube, usually artists perform there singing one song only. Oh, ano ba yun? It's, but SB19 sang Gento. Yes. Punta. Oh no! Ano po isa-search?
So
What should I search on YouTube? Of course, the first take.
the first take, my idol.
Just search for the first take. And maybe when the video is up already, you will see uh, the video on their channel. So go ahead, visit the channel now.
Yes, and share it, guys. Share it.
Share it to your friends.
It's another milestone, and I think yeah, we're very proud of that moment. We're very excited during that time, and I hope we get another chance, or maybe other chances to perform in other, those kinds of similar events and platforms.
Of course, thank you to Sony for um, supporting us. Ay, masarap kahit sunog. Boss. Guys, only 8 minutes left. Make sure your devices are all ready to watch our performance on the first take. Pablo, pansinin mo ko. I don't want to, bro. Ang sarap pala sa feeling mabasa comment ko. Haha, thank you. Ang hirap naman kapag ano. Ay, pag nagliliyab si
Malinaw
Josh.
ba ako? Malinaw ba ako? Or delay yung boses ko?
We are so proud of you guys. Thank you so much. We are so proud of ourselves as well. But, but thank you all so much for your support. Like, this opportunity won't be possible if it weren't for all of you guys. We are here right now. It's all because of you. Pakisabi kay Ken, hintayin ko po siya dito sa Sorsogon. Paano siya pupunta dyan? Hindi niya alam. Malabo ka daw. Ba't nandyan si Mephisto? I don't know.
Malabo ba rin ba? Malabo?
Oh?
Sayang.
Pablo. I don't wanna wait.
Mga 5G naman
Yung with
dito.
Gento Remix nagte-trending sa TikTok now. What? Ano yun? Gento Remix.
Yung ata
Guys,
yun yung yung pinerform natin sa pagtatag.
5 minutes left. Come on. Kailan balik nyo Japan?
Sure.
Oh, when we'll be coming back to Japan? Ah, how I wish could go back right now. At this very moment. I don't wanna wait.
Wala na. Hindi na sa akin nag-load yung mga comments. I'm so sad. I couldn't even read your comments, guys.
Should we end our live? Josh, nahihilo. Pablo, mamansin ka please. Huwag nyo end live para live reacts. What? I'm only using my phone. Then I wouldn't be
Yeah,
able to watch the first take if I'm doing live right now.
it's
Pablo,
gonna be
saan ka
hard.
excited? Tanggapin na lang natin sa Pinas tayo guys, malabo talaga. For sure
Okay
naman,
lang malabo. Basta tayo malinaw.
For sure, 18 will like our performance. Malinaw daw. Hello, good morning. What else to say? Um, yeah, we're just happy now we were able to perform to the first take. It was a once in a lifetime opportunity. So
Yes. And of
happy.
course, if you're new to this live, if you haven't actually get to watch the start of this live, we're discussing about the first take, and I hope you guys check it out on YouTube. It's gonna be out now at 9 p.m. Philippine time, and of course, we've put so much effort, and of course, we are very proud and excited about the output. So I hope you guys share it, watch it, and enjoy.
Yes, that's right. Again, we're SB19 from the Philippines.
Yeah.
Oh, you make us Filipinos proud. Thank you so much. I mean, malabo man si Josh, malinaw naman pagmamahal ko sa kanya. Alright.
Hindi na sa akin naglo-load yung comments. I'm so sad, bro.
So
Wala.
in 4 minutes. So for those who's watching this live right now, there's only 4 minutes left before the premiere of our performance on the first take. 3 minutes. So if you don't know the exact time in your country, there's only 3 minutes left before it will be live on the first six channel. So go ahead and check it out. Search the first take on YouTube. SB19 Gento. Bye-bye. 3 minutes na lang. Thank you all so much for watching this live.
Thank
I
you
hope
so
everyone